detail. So also we'll be looking at how to create a relationship among your tables. We'll be looking at creating relationships among your tables, because your data set contains contained in a table or contains in table. So in a table format, you have to link this data set. So we are going to see how you can link these data sets together. How you can use them in data analysis. They also will be looking at basic DAX function, and also we'll be looking at visualization, how to create a dashboard in this particular training. So now, what is Power BI? Probably some of you must have heard about the word Power BI, and you must have had an idea about Power BI, or you must have learned one or two things about Power BI, or you have read one or two things about Power BI. Power BI simply means, from that word Power BI, BI simply means two. When you talk about BI means two. It's simply telling you that the power of two software. The Power BI contains two software in one. Now it's even three software in one, not just two software in one. In Power BI, you have the Power Query, the Power Query that is used in cleansing your data, and Power BI. In Power BI also, you have the DAX software. The DAX software is also embedded in Power BI. Then you have the Power BI software itself. So it's like a 3-in-1 and not even 2-in-1. So when you're talking about Power BI, you're talking about a combination of two software, two or more software that is in one, that is used in transformation of your data set, your numerical data set, and present it in a graphical format and also in a numerical format. In other words, Power BI is used in transforming your numerical data set into a graphical data set, into a visual data set. In a visual data set, simply means in the form of graph, in the form of charts, in the form of pie, in the form of charts, in the form of table. So that is Power BI. So it's one of the data analysis software that is used in transformation of your numerical data and present it in a graphical format. That is what Power BI. Now, there are other tools in the market that can be used in data analysis, like we have the Tableau, we have the Google Data Studio, we have the Oracle, we have SQL. There are other types of data, other types of tools that can be used in data analysis. We're going to look at what makes Power BI to stand out among all these other tools. Now, when we look at Power BI, Power BI can be integrated to many software or many data analytics programs. Now, for instance, SQL or Oracle or Excel. Excel also is used for data analysis. You can integrate Power BI into Excel. What do I mean by that? You can add the Power BI. You can have the plugin. You can add the Power BI plugin into Excel and attach it to Excel, and you can use it for data analysis. Now, what are the Power BI products that are available in the market? We have the Power BI desktop and we have the Power BI service. Now, the Power BI desktop is what you will be using in creating your dashboard, building visualization, analyzing your data, creating reports. And also we have the Power BI on mobile phone, is also like the Power BI on your desktop. Then we have the Power BI service. The Power BI service is a Power BI cloud. It works with the internet. It's connected to the cloud. This is where you publish your dashboard. After you finish creating your various visualization using the Power BI desktop, you publish it to the cloud. You publish it to Power BI service. So Power BI service helps you to publish your Power BI reports that have been created on your Power BI desktop. And also the Power BI service also is a sharing software. It's a publishing software and also is a sharing platform. It helps you to share your visualization, your various charts, graph you've already created. It helps you to publish it. It also helps you to share it to the final consumers, your colleagues, your customers, and those people that need the information. That is the work of Power BI service. Okay. What makes Power BI different from other BI tools in the market? I've already told you that Power BI is integrated into many of these databases. You can have the plugin of Power BI. It's just like using Peachtree. Peachtree can be connected to Excel, can be connected to other kind of programs. So Power BI you can have a plugin in Power BI. You can connect it to all other programs, and you can use Power BI in that program. That's what makes Power BI stand out with all other programming software. Although there are other things that also make it stand out. Now let's look at the three phases of data modeling. Now in Power BI, there are three phases of data modeling in Power BI. The first is the altering phase. The altering phase is where you cleanse your data, you transform your data, you remove you format your data in the format whereby it will be acceptable by Power BI. Then you also model your data and you create visualization. In other words, the altering stage involves working with your query editor, modeling your data and creating visualization. Then the second phase of data modeling in Power BI is your publishing stage and the sharing to the consumer. When you finish creating various visualization, you have to publish the visualization. Then you have to share it to the final consumer. Now, let's look at how to download and install the Power BI software. How can you download and install the Power BI software? So let's see how we can do that. In case you want to download the Power BI software, how can you go about it? Okay. Now, if you want to download the Power BI software, you Google it, you type the Power BI desktop free download. And when you type that, it gives you a list of options. And the first option that pops up is the Microsoft. You click on that. Then when you click on that particular option, it brings you to this page. Now it brings you to the page. You have to set your language. Once you set the language, you click on download. Then when you click on download, it will automatically start downloading the software. Okay. Now these are the various specifications for the software. This is a file. You have two files here. The first one is for 32-bit computer system, while the other one is for 64-bit computer system. So for you to download the software, you have to select a particular, system. You have to select a particular system in which you want to install the Power BI on. Like now you can see, choose the download you want. Now the first one is for 32-bit computer system, while the other one is for 64-bit computer system. So like my system is 64-bit computer system, I click on that. Then when you click on that, you click on download. Then when you click on download that, very soon it starts downloading it. Though I've already downloaded Power BI on my system, I don't want to download it the second time. So once the download is done, you locate where the file is located on your system. You locate the folder and you click on the folder and you follow the instruction. And once you follow that, that will help you to install Power BI on your system. The when you install Power BI on your system, then it will take you to, once you are done installing it on your system, then you click on the icon, then it will take you to the new Power BI page. So the moment you are done installing Power BI, it will take you to this particular page. Now you can see this particular page, all I need to do is to select the report. Now when I click on select the report, it it brings up the Power BI platform. It brings up the Power BI window. The Power BI window pops up. The Power BI window pops up. Now this is the Power BI environment. So let us quickly explore the Power BI environment. Let me quickly explain the Power BI environment. Okay. Well, let me pick something to explore the Power BI environment. Okay. Okay, let us explore the Power BI environment. Now, the Power BI environment, at the top of the page, we have the title bar. This is a dashboard that I created. Okay, this is a simple dashboard. This is not the one I did. Okay, let me look for the one I did. I will bring that up. Just give me a minute. I'm going to bring up another Power BI window so we can explore the Power BI environment. We move ahead into the class. Let's just exercise patient just trying to shut down the page. Let's wait. I'm trying to shut down this. Let's just wait for it to be done. Okay. I'm going to put on another screen. Let's wait. It's still booting. I don't know why it's taking this long. Okay, let's continue with this. I'm going to put on that. Now we look at the top. We have this top. The top here is a title bar, and on the left-hand side of the title bar, we have the save icon. We have the undo and redo icon. Then we have the untitled Power BI desktop. So the moment you give your Power BI a name, once you give that Power BI, they give the file a name, that will change to the name of the file. Then at this particular point, at this particular search, this is where you can search for your Power BI file that you created. Then on the right-hand side here, we have the close button, we have the maximize, the minimize button, and the sign in button. Now the sign button helps you to sign in into Power BI Cloud. We want to sign into Power BI Cloud, you use the sign in button. The sign in button helps you to sign in into the Power BI Cloud. Then below the title bar is the menu bar. Below the title bar is a menu bar. Below the title bar is a menu bar, and let's wait it's booting. The title bar is a menu bar. Okay, while it boots, let me continue. When you look at this part of my screen, just try to follow my hand. Try to follow my cursor, my mouse pointer, because it's rolling, it's booting. Now, this place represents your visualization. Yeah, you have various, this is where you can create, you pick a particular visualization to create in Power BI. So this is your visualization panel. That's your visualization panel. Then this is a filter panel. I can't click now because it is booting. If I happen to click, it will is going to be stiff. That was the problem I was having earlier on. That is why we couldn't start the class when we were supposed to start the class. Then on this left-hand side of the Power BI screen, we have various view of the Power BI. We have the various view of the Power BI. The various view here, we have the table view, we have the relationship view, and we have the DAX view. Yeah, this the relationship view, that's where we do the data modeling. Power BI is still waiting. Here we do the data modeling. That's where we do the data modeling. Here is the table view where you can view your data sets. Oh my God. It's taking time to do. Okay. It's still taking time to load. As you can see, it's still rolling. As you can see, it's still rolling. I don't know if I should just close it and let me see if I can close the Power BI and turn it on again. This was the initial problem I was encountering. Okay. I'm going to put on another screen now.
The network is very, very bad.
Yeah. What is it?
The network is very bad. Your voice is bridging.
Okay. Even the network is very bad. Also, even I'm trying to load my Power BI, it is also giving me issue in loading.
Please, can I suggest we do this tomorrow so that we schedule another time tomorrow because network is very poor this night. Even on the other system, I'm trying to log in a various dimension.
Well, okay. What we'll do is this. Let's go offline for the next 5 minutes. Let's come because many people have anticipated this training. So let's go offline now. By 9:30 or 9:35, we come on. I'm going to send you another link. We come on that. Okay. So let's do. Yeah, let's go offline. 9:30, 9:35, we come in.